Doctor, I'm sick. What are symptoms? Symptoms ni iki? Symptoms ni ibimenyetso, uburyo wiyumva ibimenyetso waba ufite. My head is painful and my body is on fire. You mean you have headache and fever? Okay. Headache no umutwe, indwara y'umutwe. Ariko ntabwo bavuga ngo my head is painful. I have headache. Fever no umuriro. Any allergies? Yes, I'm allergic to my mother-in-law. Nabwo kukubaza allergy y'abantu, bari kukubaza allergy y'imiti. I write you a prescription. A what? Can't you just give me medicine? Prescription ni urupapuro ari buguhe cyangwa se ordonnance ujyana muri farumasi kugira ngo imiti. Oh, so the paper is medicine